Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you a tutorial how to unsave posts for others' account on Reddit for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And now let's go to the started. Click on the Reddit. And after that, you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner. It means your profile picture. Click on. And now let's see about the saved here. Click on the saved. Okay, this is a post for you that you want to be unsave it. You can click the three dots in the upper of the right of the post here, and it's a must to do to be easy to you. How to unsave it? You cannot just click the unsave here. So now the post is unsaved for your saved features. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to save posts for others' account or Reddit for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.